BTV buffering issues are a common frustration for users trying to enjoy smooth streaming. Understanding why buffering occurs is the first step to fixing these problems. Buffering in BTV happens due to several key factors. The most common causes include increased ISP throttling, where internet providers deliberately slow down streaming traffic, server instability from overcrowded free streaming sources, and various technical limitations. Internet speed requirements are crucial for smooth streaming. For standard definition content, you need a minimum of 5 megabits per second. However, for 4K ultra-high definition content, you'll need at least 25 megabits per second or higher. The first and most effective solution is clearing your app's cache regularly. Cache overload from accumulated temporary files can significantly slow down BTV. Heavy users should clear cache weekly to maintain optimal performance. Network optimization is equally important for reducing buffering. Using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi can reduce latency by 20 to 30%. Proper router placement within 30 feet of your streaming device and managing bandwidth by pausing other downloads during viewing will maximize your streaming performance. By understanding these buffering causes and implementing these basic solutions, you can significantly improve your BTV streaming experience. Regular cache maintenance and network optimization form the foundation of smooth streaming performance. For persistent buffering issues, a VPN can be your most powerful tool. By bypassing ISP throttling, VPNs can improve your streaming speeds by 40 to 60%. RealDBrid is a premium link generator that can dramatically reduce buffering by up to 85%. This service provides high-speed, reliable streaming links that bypass many of the common bottlenecks. Using external players like MX Player or VLC can significantly improve playback stability. These dedicated media players are optimized for various video formats and often handle buffering more efficiently than built-in players. Optimizing your DNS settings can reduce resolution times and improve connection speeds. Custom DNS servers like Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 or Google's 8.88.8 often provide faster and more reliable domain name resolution. For Android devices, enabling forced GPU rendering in developer options can significantly improve video playback performance. You can also increase buffer sizes in advanced settings for smoother streaming. Fire TV Stick users should perform regular maintenance for optimal performance. Restart your device every 2 to 3 days, uninstall unused apps to free up memory, and consider using cooling fans for 4K models to prevent thermal throttling.